As you have asked me to update banking current affairs, I have taken top 10 points, and the first point I have taken this from today's news headlines. Okay, so see this. RBI has given its nod to the Indian Post Payment Bank to start its operations as a payment bank. This is the third entity. IPP is the third entity to get the license from the RBI after Airtel and Paytm banks. Okay, Paytm payment banks to get the central bank approval. Okay, IPB is the Indian Post Payment Bank is the third bank after Airtel and Payment Bank. Okay, RBI has approved the license. Okay, to IPB, and IPB is expected to start its operations before 31st March, and it will be gradually rolled out in 650 districts using the network of 1.54 lakh post offices. Okay, means by 31st of March, IPB is expected to start its payments like Airtel and Paytm. Okay, and the government has also appointed AP Singh as the interim managing director and CEO. Okay, see here. Okay, so government has appointed AP Singh as the interim managing director and CEO of this post payment banks. Okay, and by 31st of March, post payment bank will also start its operations like Airtel and Paytm. Okay, and Corporation Bank has bagged the Scotch Silver Award for attaining the number one position partner of LIC of India for past 3 years. Okay, this is also an important point. Corporation Bank has bagged a Scotch Silver Award. Okay, partnering with LIC India. You may get a question like which is a bank that has got a Scotch Silver Award. Okay, and what is the partner of that? Okay, Corporation Bank, which has partnered with LIC of India for 3 years. That's why it has got this award. Okay, so this is also an important point. And see one more point. VG Kannan appointed as CEO of Indian Banks Association on December 14th. IBA, Indian Banks Association, it is a major part of body for the bankings. Okay, it will have some rules and regulations and all to which has to followed by all the banks. So it is Indian Banks Association, which is most major role for in banking industries. Okay, so VG Kannan is appointed as CEO of Indian Banks Association IBA on December 14th. IBA. Okay, on December 14th. And one more point. Two Abu Dhabi banks approved a plan to merge the firms into the biggest banks of all Gulf Arab countries with assets of $178 billion amid a regional economic slump. This is what is this means? Two Abu Dhabi banks, major banks, Abu Dhabi Bank, United Arab Emirates banks approved a plan. Okay, they are planning to merge themselves with the Gulf Arab countries. Okay, and their assets is $178 billion amid. Okay, this is not a small amount. So, and they are planning to merge. Okay, and one more point based on this is the combined company is known as NBAD. Oh, NBAD. Okay, National Bank of Abu Dhabi is the full form for this. Okay, NBAD. Okay, National Bank of Abu Dhabi. And see one more point. IDFC Bank has approved appointment of Veena Mankar as a non-executive chairperson till July 2018. Okay, she is Veena Mankar as a non-executive chairperson to IDFC Bank. Okay, Industrial Development Finance Corp. Okay, and see, NABARD said it will extend its support for its support aggregating about rupees 1200 crore. This is an important point. 1200 crore to banks, devices per village in banks for deployment of 2 point of sale devices per village in 1 lakh villages having population of up to 10,000. Acha. NABARD, National Bank of Agriculture Rural Development, said it will extend its support aggregating about 1200 rupees to banks, deployment of 2 point of sale devices per village in 1 lakh villages which is having 10,000 rupees 10,000 population. Okay. And last point, this is not related to banks, but today's headlines will have it. I mean, I have seen it in Hindu paper. Serena Williams won Australian Open. Serena Williams has won her Australian Open against her sibling or sibling sister. She is Venus Williams. Okay, against her sister Venus Williams, and this is her 7th Australian Open. And it is 23rd Grand Slam of her single title. This is the 23rd Grand Slam. Okay, everyone will read Serena Williams has won this Australian Open against Venus in Australia, Melbourne. Everyone will read this, but this 23rd Grand Slam is important. Okay, because recently they are most concentrating like this small numbers itself. Okay, so this is also an important point. It is her 23rd Grand Slam single title. Okay, remember this. And thank you, friends. If you want more updates like this, please let me know in comments. Thank you all. Hope this enjoy.